Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Evans Garage, and today I'm going to clean up this chrome rear bumper that I got. This is an extra rear bumper for the blue truck that I just bought. It came with it. Right now on the blue truck there's a painted rear bumper that's silver, and this one's chrome and just needs cleaned up. It's got some tie-down hooks on the outside which are kind of rusty. This centerpiece here, which is rusty, and then someone had cut out something in the middle, maybe for a hitch receiver. This bulb lens cover is broken. I might have an extra one on the one that's on the truck, and I think that's it for the accessories that are on there. But what I'm going to do is I'll clean this up, and then we'll replace the painted one on the truck, and I'll probably clean this up and paint that too. So I'll get you on a time lapse here. What I'm going to do is I'll take all the accessories off, clean up the chrome, put everything back on, clean up the black plastic with some back to black compound, and then for the chrome I've got 00 and quadruple 0, which is like extra fine steel wool, and we'll see how that works on the chrome. Alright, and here's a look at the finished product. Used back to black on the plastic. This is still drying just a little bit. I ended up pulling those hooks off, and I think I'm going to keep them off. So there's going to be holes there, but they're hardly noticeable. And then the last finishing touch is I've got new license plate screw covers. I got that from Lordco for the two top ones here, and I'm gonna have to reuse the old lens covers for now because I couldn't find replacements for those. Alright, and here's a look at the finished product. The bumper is pretty straight overall. Now we've got the LED tail lights with the chrome rear bumper. The new stainless screws, and then I got both these tail lamp lenses working. And then I'll probably put a receiver or a hitch ball in there. From this side, it's kind of kinked up. I think that's due to, I changed out all the hardware here. I think it's due to this bracket. I really had to reef up on it to get those bolts in, so I might take those off and either widen the holes or something just to get that rear part of the bumper straight. That's a final look at the rear bumper though. And we're slowly picking away at the look of this truck. The next thing is going to be get some stock first gen wheels.